This will be a video on how to go. So now after all that, you have not seen that, but that's fine. So you get your pants, you get your other stuff. So you get your pants and your shirt and stuff, you look like this. You go into catalog, you go grab pants and stuff, like, what is it? You go into clothing and you choose, you go to pants, you go like this, you go like high, and you get the pants that you want. Then after that, you go to the same thing with t-shirts if you want an overlay on your shirt. Like, this one with Kirby. You get now. I like this one. With this freaking hug. You should get it. Now, do the same thing with all that. You would click this top thing. You go to avatar. Then after you go to avatar, you can edit your avatar. So, you can take off that ugly hair of yours, take off that, take off this. You just strip your character technically. Then you'll go to this, you'll put on, if you got hair accessories, you'll put them on. Then you can put on like this, and like this. And you can put stuff on like that and that, and you can, depending on the face you got, you can also choose your pants. So like, I'll choose these pants. Then you can go to outfits. Oh no, not outfits. Yeah. Then go to outfits, make your own outfit after you put enough song. Like, create outfit. And you can name it. Like that. So it's named test now. And you can put on ones like that, and you just have to click on your outfit to put it on. But yeah, you just can go back to this. So, after all that, you can also go to body. Not clothing, body, skin tone, and let's say I want to give myself black gloves but a tan face. All this does is it changes this, this, and this. So what you'll do is you'll go scroll down, go to advanced, you'll go left arm, black, right arm, black, and you click done, and your character will look like that. So yeah. But yeah. And then I've made my own. So yeah, that is how you make your character from a noob to a pro. Or at least look pro. I hope you liked this video. And like always, like, comment, subscribe. See you guys